12th or 19th. So what is...
No, I am looking forward basically for Election Commission to announce the date. I am always ready.
So have you started meeting people and all?
I meet people. I have got basically my supporters, and I'm going around meeting.
Yeah, some people in BJP and all trying to fill Parrikar's son Utpal for this thing. Will you? Yeah.
See, it will make no difference to me whatsoever. It is ultimately the people of Panjim should decide what a person has done in 25 years and what someone else will do. Being in power for 25 years and being in a top position for 25 years. It's simple as that. It is for people to realize I have got a background as a person who would do development, and who has got most important is a commitment towards development. If I promise something, I am sure to deliver. I will not make fake promises.
There is also talk that you may support Utpal or something.
When I am a candidate, I look forward that they should support me.
So Congress is supporting you?
Sorry?
Any party has approached you?
There's no question. I am contesting as an independent. If whoever wants to defeat basically the opposition now, whoever the ruling, I think, will support me. I look forward for that.